Here's our walk. It's getting lighter. It's 444, guys. 444. And there's Polo. He's going for his walk. Polo's loving it, right?
Yeah, I'm really loving it. And I said, and Paul said, huh? Why do my ears are flying?
Yeah, his ears are flying back like a reindeer.
Yeah, or...
Here comes Charlie. Here comes Charlie. They love their walks.
Oh, there's Polo doing his business. It's still cool out here.
Yeah, it's still windy. It's actually really windy, but
Yeah,
it's good. It's nice in the sun. It's just cool and windy.
My ears are
Girl,
flying.
you gonna beat this? All right.
Wait, where?
Watch out, Polo! Whoa, whoa, Polo!
Yeah. Come on, Charlie. Poor Polo. Sniff, sniff, sniffing.
Wait, I was being a little baby in my ears that came flying like Ratchet.
Oh, like Ratchet?
Yeah. When I was a little baby.
Ryan had a good day today. Everything's going great.
Oh, fantastic. Yeah, Ron calls us every day, guys. Every day.
He's doing really, really well. He had a great outing. He has to go in tomorrow. He starts 7 days a week now.
Oh, wow. Put that down.
In April, he's going to be throwing. He'll be throwing
Simulated games in April. Here's our neighbor's dogs. Hi, we got the pug, and we got the mastiff, the baby mastiff, which is a gray one, and the boxer. Aren't they cute? They're so. This guy's a baby, and it's huge. You're a baby.
These guys are babies.
We got a ninja turtle walking a ninja dog. Now you're walking through the.
That's how you get him to stop.
That's right. We're teaching him how to walk the dog the right way, right?
Don't pull too hard on his neck. Just keep a hold of him.
Our shadows look like we're gigantic people. That's funny. That's the end of that.
Again today, in the Oval Office,
It's a good
sitting
walk.
in exactly the same chair where he was
Yep.
humiliated
You wanted to
in
take that.
exactly the